Making the right renovations before selling your home can significantly boost its market value. Today, I'll discuss the updates that typically offer the highest return on investment. Kitchen and bath updates are often the most impactful. Consider modern fixtures, updated countertops, and fresh cabinetry. These areas not only attract buyers, but can also add substantial value. Next, focus on curb appeal improvements. Fresh paint, updated landscaping, and minor exterior repairs can create a strong first impression. Energy efficient updates like new windows or smart thermostats are increasingly appealing to modern buyers and can lower utility costs, adding extra value, of course, as well. Even simple cosmetic enhancements such as new lighting and flooring can transition the look and feel of your home. I'll work with you to assess your property, recommend targeted renovations, and ensure that every dollar spent boosts your home price. For expert advice on maximizing your return on investment through strategic renovations, call me today at 919 740 0379. Make it a great day.